Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can determine Hedges in G for a one sample t-test using SPSS. To be specific, you will need SPSS version 27 or later because in earlier versions this wasn't available. If you have an earlier version, I have a separate video on how you can still compute it using the compute variable option. Alright, so this has become available in version 27. We go for Analyze, and then we go for Compare Means, and we select a one sample t-test. I'm using a data file called General Social Survey 2012. I adjusted it a bit just for these examples. I leave a link to my website where you can download the file if you want to follow along. The age is the one that I'm going to be interested in. I'm going to change the test value to 50 because that's going to be my hypothesized mean, and I leave the estimate effect size as checked and then click on OK. Now in the output we have to be a little bit careful on what is what, and we see here Cohen's D in the one sample effect sizes, and there's the Hedges correction, which then will give you the Hedges G. It's about the point estimate. That's the one that's usually reported. If you double click on the table and you make this a little bit bigger, then you can see here the point estimate, and if you want you can go to cell format and increase the number of decimals so you can see more decimals if you need. You can then also copy paste that to somewhere. But yeah, that's how you can calculate Hedges G quite easily with SPSS 27 or later. Hope this was helpful, and thank you for watching.